Hey, 5.1, solve linear systems by graphing. So linear system is a set of two linear equations that are considered at the same time. Okay, and what we're doing is we're looking for a point of intersection, and this is the point at which two lines intersect. Okay, the coordinate of the point of intersection satisfies both equations. Okay, the solution to a linear system is the point of intersection of the lines. Okay, a linear system can be solved by graphing, then reading the point of intersection on the graph. Okay, and to check the solution to a linear system, substitute the coordinates of the point of intersection into the original equations. Okay, example 1 asks us to solve the linear system, then check. Okay, and at the bottom we do have 4 steps for graphing a line. So first we want to put everything into y equals mx plus b form. Okay, looking at our two equations, let's just call it equation 1 and equation 2. We do have these in y equals mx plus b form. Okay, the y's are isolated and then there's an equal sign beside it. So we're good to start. So first what we want to do is plot the y-intercept, and then we're going to use the slope to plot at least 2 more points. Then we're going to connect the points to form a line. Okay, so for equation 1, the slope is -2 and the y-intercept is -5. So let's go ahead and plot the y-intercept of -5. And then we're going to plot the -2 over 1 as the rise over run. So -2 over 1. -2 over 1, 2 over 1, 2 over 1. Okay, and you can just plot a couple just to make sure that you are super accurate when finding the point of intersection. Okay, and I'm going to label. I nicely used a ruler and I connected this line. I put arrows on both sides and I labeled it. Now equation 2. The slope is 2 over 3 and the y-intercept is 3. So let's plot the y-intercept first, which is 3. We're going to go up 2 over 3, up 2 over 3. Okay, down to left 3, down to left 3. And we're going to draw a line through that, 2 arrows, and label. So when taking a look at this, we can see that our point of intersection occurs right here. This is the point. POI can be written for the point of intersection, -3, 1. Okay, so example 2, same thing, find the point of intersection for each linear system. So let's call this equation 1, equation 2. So equation 1 is already in mx plus b form. Okay, so the slope is 2 over 1 and the y-intercept is 4. So let's go ahead and graph that. So first plot the y-intercept, and then we're going to go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. We can also do down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1. Okay, just make sure that it's going in the same pattern. Okay, y equals 2x plus 4. Now for the second one, we have to bring this -3x over and insert it right here. So we get y equals 3x plus 2. Okay, the slope is 3 over 1 and the y-intercept is 2. So plot the 2 and then plot 1, 2, 3 over 1. Maybe I'll do this in another color. There we go. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, and then it's going to go off the graph. That's okay. So this is going to be y equals 3x plus 2. And we can see right here, this is the point of intersection. it occurs at 2, 8. Okay, same thing for these two. Let's call this 1 and 2. So equation 1 is 3x minus y equals -7. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this y over because I want the y to be positive. So I get 3x equals -7 plus y. Take this -7, bring it to the other side. I get 3x plus 7 equals y. This is in y equals mx plus b form. So the slope is 3 and the y-intercept is 7. Let's go to the graph. We're going to plot 7 and we're going to go up 3 over 1. Okay, down 3, left 1, down 3, left 1. One, two, three. Okay, and for number 2, we're going to bring this 2x over and put it beside. So we y equals, this time it's going to be -2x because it got brought over the equal sign, plus 2. Okay, so this is our slope, -2, and this is our y-intercept, 2. I really need a ruler with this. Okay, sorry, this was the first one. Now for the second one, we're going to go y-intercept is 2. Then we're going to go down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. Okay, and then we're up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1. If you switch one of the directions of like the rise over run, you have to switch them both. But just again, go with the pattern. So I knew I was going down this way, so I know I'm going up that way. Okay, so this point of intersection is -1, 4. Okay, example 3, a little bit different because it's a word problem. So Total Fitness Club charges a monthly flat fee of $25. Okay, so that's going to be our y-intercept plus $5 a visit. That's going to be our slope. So Total Fitness Club cost equals $5 per visit plus $25 flat fee. Now the 24-hour fitness club, so this is the 24-hour club, the cost is monthly flat fee of $35, that's our y-intercept, plus a $3 visiting fee, which is going to be our slope. So those are going to be our two equations. A asks us to write the equations. And now B asks us to graph. So let's graph the first one. So it starts at $25, so I'm going to plot that here. Now, going up by $5 each time, that's okay for the first one. So at one visit, it's going to be $30. At 2 visits, it's going to be $35. At 3 visits, it's going to be $40, $45, $50, $55, $60, $65, $70, $75. Okay. Now for the second one, we're going to start at $35, but this time I'm only going to go up $3 per time. So it's going to go 35, 38, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. That's clearly like the point of intersection. 53, 56, okay, and then so on. Okay, so this point of intersection is 5, 50. Okay, what does that actually mean? Okay, that means that at 5 visits, both clubs will be the same price. Okay, and we can call this V for visits. and we can call this C for cost in dollars. Okay. And what advice would you give someone when deciding on joining a gym? So this is always going to be a 3-tier question. Okay. So if you visit, because remember the point of intersection occurs at 5, right? So less than 5 times, equal to 5 times, and then greater than 5 times. If you visit, so what we're looking for, like on this cost axis, we're looking for the lower one, okay? So less than 5 times, I would go with the green. So I would go with TFC. Choose TFC. Now, equal 5 times, we know that that's the break-even point, so choose either. Okay, and then it's going to be the same price. Now, over 5 times is going to be over here. So, see this green? Now the green went from less in cost to greater in cost. So we're not going to choose the green. We're going to choose the red this time. So 3V plus 35, which is 24-hour fitness. So we're going to say choose 24-hour fitness. Okay, so always a 3-tier answer.